So, you want to reach fire faster? What's the single most powerful way to do it? Let me tell you, it's not about cutting costs. It's about something much, much bigger.
No, I'm serious. Just think about it for a second. What if you could literally chop your fire journey in half, just by adding one extra income stream? Sounds a bit like a fantasy, right? But you'll be surprised how simple the math actually is.
Okay, so to get how this works, we need to totally shift our mindset. We have to move past the old way of thinking, just saving, and get into a whole new way of earning.
And this right here, this is the fundamental truth of the entire fire journey. Look, cutting your expenses is super important, don't get me wrong. But it has a hard limit, right? You can only cut so much before you're, well, living on air. But your income, your potential to earn, that, my friend, is limitless. There's no ceiling. All right, before we dive into the numbers, just a quick and really important heads up. This is all for educational purposes. It is not financial advice. Please always do your own homework.
Okay, so let's see how this actually plays out in the real world. Get ready for a bit of an aha moment because this is where the whole strategy really clicks.
So let's just imagine for a moment that this is you. You're disciplined, you've got your budget on lock, and you're consistently saving 20,000 rupees every single month from your job. That is a fantastic start, by the way. But now you start a side hustle. And yeah, it takes some time, it takes some effort, but eventually it starts bringing in an extra 20,000 rupees a month. Just look at that. You've literally cloned your savings power.
And the result? It's immediate. Your investment capacity has just jumped from 20,000 to 40,000 rupees. Boom! You've doubled your financial firepower, just like that.
And here's the most amazing part. You got this incredible boost without cutting a single extra expense. You didn't have to give up that morning coffee. You didn't have to cancel your favorite subscription. Your lifestyle, it stayed exactly the same. But, of course, not all side hustles are the same, right? The real key is finding the one that's a perfect fit for your skills, your goals, and the time you have. So, we can pretty much break them down into three big categories. First, you've got service-based hustles. These are fast because you're cashing in on skills you already have. Then there are skill-building hustles. They start slow, but can become huge assets. And finally, the big one, scalable hustles. These have the highest potential because they're not tied to your time. Okay, so first up, service-based. Think about it. If you're a developer, a writer, a designer, a teacher, you can start freelancing or tutoring like tonight. This is by far the quickest way to turn the skills you already have into extra cash. Next, let's talk about the long game, skill building. This is like starting a YouTube channel or a blog or a newsletter. Now, the income might be zero for the first few months, maybe even longer, but you're not just working, you're building an asset. And over time, all that effort compounds into a really powerful passive income stream. And finally, we have what's probably the most powerful category of all, scalable hustles. This is where you build something once, like an online course, a digital product, maybe an app, and you can sell it over and over and over again. Your income is totally disconnected from the hours you put in. That is true leverage. Now I know, looking at all these options can feel a little overwhelming. But listen, here's the most important thing to remember. You don't need to do everything. You don't need to master all of them. You just need to find one that fits you, and then just stick with it. So let's bring it all back. How does this actually connect to that big promise we made at the start, cutting your fire journey in half? Well, this is where the real magic happens. The magic of math and, just being consistent. See, when you invest that extra income, the effect on your timeline, it's not a straight line. It's not just adding a little bit more. No, it's exponential. This is the raw power of compounding. Every extra rupee you invest starts making money, and then the money it makes starts making its own money. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and faster, dramatically accelerating your wealth. And here's the visual payoff. With just your job savings, the road to fire, it can feel really long. But the moment you add in the compounded returns from your side hustle, that timeline just gets absolutely crushed. This right here is how you shave years, maybe even decades, off your journey to financial freedom. But hey, let's remember something. This whole thing, it's not just about hitting some magic number in a bank account. It's about what that number actually buys you. The real reward, it's freedom. It's having that extra income stream that gives you options, the flexibility to walk away from a job you hate, the control to actually design a life that you want to live on your own terms. That is the real goal here.
So if there is just one thing you take away from all of this, let it be this thought. Cutting your expenses has a floor. There's a limit. But your ability to earn, it has no ceiling. And that is the single most powerful tool you have to fast-track your journey to FIRE.